Alright, today we're going to install the fuel tank on an icebear Champion. Once you've cleaned it, I coated mine. I put new fuel lines. The white clamp is for the reserve, which is going to be your back. It's clean, it's coated. I'm still running filters, guys. I'm going to put a different petcock. I'm going to run fuel injection hose clamps because I don't like the little ones. So, when I'm done, the petcock will face this way, and these lines will get trimmed down quite a bit. We'll be back in a sec. So, you're going to want to take dielectric grease and any of these plugs. Just put some dielectric grease in there. Check all your wires, make sure they're plugged in. Add some dielectric grease. One of the other guys on here already said it. It's a good idea just to hit this whole area with a little bit of WD-40. Just spray a little bit in there. Not a whole lot. Don't need to soak it. Just enough. And it'll help prevent rust and everything like that. I apologize for the shakiness. Like I said, I do not have anybody to help me with today. So, start by feeding your hose lines in. Once you see them pop out, make sure they're not wrapped around anything. Make sure you get them both, because one is too high up. Okay, don't let them wrap around anything as you pull them through. Oh, shoot, I still didn't get them both. Okay. Alright. I'm not going to show you guys because this video adds so much time to working on stuff. So I got my fuel lines. I'm holding them. Slide them back as far as you can. Oh, that's going to be an issue. Tuck your tank down and in. Alright, now I can't find my fuel lines down here. See if I can keep this in here. Fuel lines should be coming out right here. And you just make sure everything is out of the way of them. But I'm having that issue now. Okay, that wasn't working, so I grabbed me some handy dandy zip ties. Zip tie the lines together. Try to keep them stacked, top and bottom stacked. I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. So stack them. Pull it tight. Give another short one. Do it again real close to the bottom here. Close as you can, pretty much. And keep it stacked. Grab a longer one. Feed it through. Don't even need to close it. Just feed it through. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to start up way back up in here. Get your hand down in there and feed that zip tie that you just stuck in there, the one that's not connected to nothing. Feed that through. Get that out. And then let everything fall because you're only one person. Tuck it in. Don't yank too hard. Okay, like I said, make sure you're keeping the lines out of the way. There you go. And I was whacking it right there to get it in. But it's all the way in. Got plenty of fuel line here. Take your big one back out, save it. I'm actually going to leave it zip tie. Well, yeah, I'm going to cut this one. Now your fuel lines are ran. Your tank is installed. Your fuel lines are down here. Like I said, this petcock's going. Now, you get to put all your wires back. Refer to the first video or take pictures like I said. Get your battery box. Make sure you put all the appropriate stuff down in here. Reconnect all your wires. And you'll be ready to add fuel.